Well, we are again in Barcelona, and it's again a vibrant event with all the players around the ecosystem present here. I think it's amazing how we see that everybody is going after connectivity, and we're not talking about human connectivity, but also applications, also cars, any kind of vertical is looking at how we can apply communications and connectivity into their business model. So I think that's a really interesting trend that we see. Next to that, I think very important is to say that we see a continuous trend of taking software out of the network components, and so moving into the cloud. Very important trend that offers as well opportunities for BICS to step into that trend. And I would say the third one, an ever-increasing hungriness of the customers in terms of quality and service delivery, and the customer requirements are continuously evolving. They want it better, they want it faster, they want it at a higher quality, and that's an important trend I see as well. Well, VoLTE is where we have mobile data, voice, unified communications coming together. So operators are moving into that direction, and we will see much more. We have already seen a lot of LTE deployments around the world. Operators are now moving their voice over that same network as well, and it will allow them to reinvent their services, higher quality and more unified communication services as well. So definitely we'll see more VoLTE going forward. As a matter of fact, BICS just signed a partnership agreement with PGI, which is an illustration of the interest in VoLTE. We will be the provider of VoLTE-enabled conferencing services together with PGI. I think cloud is a very interesting and accelerating trend that puts also for BICS a lot of opportunities on the road. As customers, both in enterprise segment or in the residential segment, are buying more and more of their services out of the cloud, all of a sudden these customers, they become accessible for BICS. We have enterprise moving into the cloud. We have a lot of digital service providers that are opening up verticals within industries and creating new use cases for communication. So I think cloud is interesting for BICS, where we can offer a global coverage in terms of cloud numbers. We are also opening up our communication assets through APIs to help the digital segment find new customers, new experiences and new services.